indicate that we just bought a TV.
Yeah.
And we bought an 85-inch, you'll see tomorrow, but we bought an 85-inch Hisense TV. Apparently it's as close as an OLED you can get. It's 2025 version. And yeah, we got it under 4K. Good investment for the next 10 years. We're not going to buy another TV for 10, 20 years.
Yeah.
165 hertz. So that's good for my, you know, my PS6.
Now we're going shopping for kitchen and some other stuff just to fill the space a little bit and be able to cook. Signing off.
So this is a little update and our big TV. Problem is, we can't get it upstairs. Only weighs 65 kgs. That's how heavy
I am.
I can probably carry this. It's just I need a safety net, just in case I fail.
It's another flight of stairs after that one too.
Upstairs, I don't know how it's going to like spin. I feel like you can go like that. So, what's the time?
25 past 1.
25 past 1. When we did the video downstairs, it was like 11:30. So we got it up here, what, 3 hours later?
Mm-hmm.
But here it is. We just got to unbox it, and after a stressful morning, we got it here. With no help from JB Hi-Fi.
Yeah.
JB Hi-Fi. No help from you. Next time you see the TV, you'll see it for yourselves.
Signing off.
Signing off.
Isn't she beautiful?
We finally.
This was stressful, but worth it. Those were problems. Woohoo! Now we need to get blinds or some sort of curtains. That's what we're currently using just to stop it coming on the TV. Get in there, people. All these boxes just come up from upstairs. This is our couch. So we've had to take the TV up ourselves. We've had to bring the couch up ourselves. We've got a washing machine coming today, which we've paid extra delivery for. And we were just saying, I'd be very surprised if they bring that up. They're very reluctant to, even like food deliveries, they don't come up to the door. It's really strange. But anyway, very exciting. We are gonna unbox our new couch. Woo!
All right.
So we've got to put the TV, my nails broke again. We've got to put the TV on a unit, so that's going to be back. We've got a rug to come, lovely rug to come. We're gonna put like a little coffee table. Might even
hairs everywhere.
yeah.
Look.
Yeah, I'm molting at the minute. We need to potentially even, I tried to just line this couch up with this bench. I'm very particular with shapes and everything being straight. So I think we leave it like that. And then yeah, that'll give room for the couch. We need to get rid of all the cardboard. We're just like almost squatters in someone's apartment with all this cardboard and using them as curtains. So yeah, that's all gonna go. We're gonna have nice sheer drop curtains, which are gonna be white, nice cream, whitey rug. And yeah, we're getting there slowly. We're getting there slowly. I know it looks big, but we have to put it under the rug. It's so soft. Get it like here.
Oh, push it up. It is 7:34 on a Wednesday morning. Just about to get picked up by an Uber and go to Real Gym in Beaver Lake. Get a workout in.
It's very cold. You can see the steam coming out of his mouth. Steam? Breath. Yeah. Chance to explore like beaches or anything yet. The food has been, it's been a month. We're not done yet. There's a little coffee, my office area, a seat, my favorite space of all time. Hey, you can do whatever you want.